Good morning. I got a really beautiful 2021 Toyota Corolla here. This one is in pristine condition as well. This one is the SE. It might have the Nightshade or the Apex edition. I'll probably have the details of it on the website. But yeah, it's got a lot of nice black accents to it. Looks really nice. It's got these nice, I believe they're 17-inch alloy wheels and wrapped in Michelin all-season tires, which is really nice. Yeah, it's got like some gray side skirting there and then some black accents in the front and back. Yeah, the paint condition, it's in great shape. No scratches or dings or anything like that. It's a really pretty, I believe that's like a pearl white. Let's have a look at the driver's seat from the back. It does have the big screen. It's got a ton of safety options on it. Of course, it does have power windows and power locks. Got a gray cloth interior. Let me turn this stuff down. Okay. Let me put my seatbelt on so I get the light off. 1 second. Okay. Alrighty, so as for the steering wheel controls, we got paddle shifters in the back. And go back here, we got the stereo controls, and then we have, it looks like we have adaptive cruise, lane departure warning, collision alert. Let's have it look in here. This one's got 23,000 miles on it. This should have Apple Carplay. I'm pretty positive it does. Let me throw it in reverse. We've got backup camera. We've got the AC controls right here. It is automatic. It's got electric parking brake, auto hold. That's a nice feature. We got a USB input. I believe we have an extra one in there, or up there rather. Yeah, so let's have a look in the back seat area and then under the hood. This is in really good shape. But I mean, it's darn near a brand new car, so it probably should be, right? And like I said, it has Michelin all-season tires, which are in really good shape. Toyota 4-cylinder. Very reliable. Alrighty, well, if you're looking for a reliable, newer, gas-saving sedan, this could be it for you. I hope this helped out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.